Look, welcome once again. Now let's look at how do we order fractions. So here we have 5 fractions of different denominators, and you're supposed to put them in order from smallest to biggest. Now the first thing we need to do is to make sure they all have the same denominator. So we will have to first work out the LCM of all the denominators. If you know your number skills carefully, you will know the LCM, but if not, you have to list the multiples of 12, 15, 6, 10, and 5 until you get this lowest common multiple. So let's quickly do that. So a few multiples of 12, multiples of 15. You continue until you see a number appearing in all the multiples. The very first one is the lowest common multiple. Then we do for 10. Then we do the last one for 5. So after listing a few multiples, then we check. We could see that the first multiple that we see common is 60. So LCM is 60. And therefore, we are going to create a equivalent fraction for each of the fractions all over 60. Each one will be over 60. So to know the numerators for each of the fractions, you just check the number of steps or divide the 60 by the denominators. So 12 into 60 is 5, or the same as the number of steps. So times 5 by 5. So that gives us 25 over 60, equivalent to 5 over 12. Always check. 15 into 60 is 4, as you can see 4 steps here. 4 times 11, 44. So 6 into 60 is 10. 10 times 4, 40. So 10 into 60 is 6 steps. 6 times 7, 42. And the last one, 5 into 60 is 12. 12 times 2. And that gives us 22. Now, because they are all out of 60, we can now check on the numerators and see the smallest one. And clearly, the smallest one is 22. And when you are listing your answer, list the original fraction, not the one that you've created. So we have 2 over 5 as the first, followed by 5 over 12, followed by 4 over 6, then 7 over 10, then lastly. So that is how we list fractions in order from smallest to biggest. Now let's look at exam style question.